So hi guys, welcome to Geeky Aya. So this is Nokia C20 Plus. So this device was bought from Amazon for 6,800 rupees after offers of credit card plus a coupon of 500. So this is a very basic device which is having a 6.5 inch display, and as long as you use it scarcely, it should be okay for your mom or dad or somebody who won't use it for that much. So opening up, we have this product safety information, regulatory booklets, and this comes with a charger which is 10 watts charger. So nothing big here, no fast chargers, basic 10 watts charger. And then it comes with the micro USB, not the Type C. And then the device, one good thing is that it comes with this glossy back cover which can be applied, and the device is large, and you can see the camera. There are two cameras behind the back, one flashlight and the Nokia branding, and one speaker towards the back which can be easily muffled. And this is running Android Go edition, as you can see, so which is a lightweight version. So on the boot up screen you can see the Nokia logo. So just to give you an idea of how much time it takes to boot, I'm just trying to boot it once again. I've already used it for 10-15 minutes. So yes, that's it. So that's how much time it takes. And once the device is up and running, see, these are the applications which is available. So there are some junk which you can download, delete, like Moj, Mixtakatak. There are some apps which you can easily uninstall, but for some reason it keeps installing back again. So out of the storage 32 GB, you have 7.33 GB already used, which is bad for a device which has only 32 GB. And if you go to about phone, you can see the device name, the dual SIM slot, the 2 GB RAM, and it is running the Android version 11, which as far as I know I've checked. So basic Android Go version 11 is what is available there. I'll show you that as well. So this is some system information. So as you can see, it's running Android 11. So if you're looking for a budget device, yes, I would recommend this. But again, the display is not very high quality. It's okay, it's usable, nothing to write home about. And it has this teardrop display, as you can see. And one good thing is that they are giving this flexible back cover. And just one more look at the camera, and it has a little pattern towards the back that helps you grip the phone nicely. And you have the SIM card tray towards one side, so that's the camera. And then towards the right you have this volume rocker and the power key. And you can see the micro USB port towards the bottom. So that's it guys. If you have any more questions, do write to Geeky Aya. Thanks for watching.